viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to present you about the famous foods of North India. The land of India is characterized by its diversity. A combination of different cultures, traditions and lifestyles is what truly defines India. The cuisine of each region is influenced by its history and climate, such that every place in the country boasts a unique delicacy. And Indians do love to talk about their food. Northern India includes the provinces of Punjab and Sindh and the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Gujarat and West Central Uttar Pradesh. As you might imagine, with this many states packed in one region, Northern Indian cooking recipes, spices and techniques can vary widely. Jaisalmer gives more importance to meat dishes, Alwar focus on milk sweets, Kashmir is famous for fruit delicacies and so on. Vegetable oils like sunflower and canola are used. Mustard oil is rarely used and only on some states of the region. Ghee is normally reserved for special occasion cooking. Recipes rich aromatic gravies, spicy vegetable stir fries, moist and tender slow cooked meat and sinful desserts, each dish shed a unique and different flavor in North Indian cuisine. Most of the dishes take a long hours to prepare as they involve meticulous steps. But once you take a bite, you know you are in for a gastronomic joyride. You also have simple comfort food such as dal tadka and rajma chawal that holds a favorite spot in most people's hearts. Here are some famous varieties of foods that every traveler must try in North India. Chats, the most popular street food in India. Chat is a savory snack typically served as a hot at roadside racks from stalls or food carts. With origins from the state of Uttar Pradesh, chat has become immensely popular in the rest of India. Aloo chat, dahi papadi chat, aloo tikki, pani puri, kachori and many more. Samosa. Samosas are a popular appetizer or snack. They are fried or baked with a savory filling such as spiced potatoes, onions, peas or lentils. Indian samosas are usually vegetarian and often accompanied by mint chutney. Chola bhature. A popular dish for breakfast, it is a combination of chickpeas in a spicy gravy with fried bread. Dal makhani. Dal makhani is a popular dish from the Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent. Its primary ingredients are whole black lentil, red kidney beans, butter and cream. Tandoori chicken. A very popular chicken dish prepared by roasting marinated chicken in a tandoor. It can be served as a main course. Thali. Thali is more than a meal, it is an experience. A selection of various veg or non-veg dishes are served on a platter accompanied by rice and roti. The idea behind a thali is to offer 6 different flavors of sweet, salt, bitter, sour, vegan and spicy on a single plate. Butter chicken. Marinated overnight, the chicken is roasted and cooked in tomato puree, cream and masalas. A perfect dinner party recipe. This North Indian style chicken recipe is made throughout the country with equal zest. Naan or Rumali roti. The naan and the Rumali roti have become an integral part of the Indian group. While Rumali roti is a thin flat bread made with unleavened wheat flour duff, the duff of now is thick flat bread comprises of a mix of wheat flour and refined flour. It both can be served by hot combined with gravy. Bangan bhatta. This simple dish from North India can be relished with a helping of rice or roti and is favorite especially during the chilly winters. The bangan is basted with oil, preferably mustard, and then grilled over red hot smoky charcoal or on an earthen stove using coal or firewood. Kashmiri Dum Aloo. Though the Kashmiri cuisine is predominated by the use of meat, the Kashmiri Dum Aloo is a vegetarian delicacy for the Mystic Valley of Kashmir. The baby potatoes, deep fried till golden brown, are cooked in a mix of spices that imparts a piquant flavor of the dish. Paratha. Punjabi breakfast, lunch and dinner is incomplete without the sumptuous parathas. The thin flat bread is a healthy choice of meat and can be relished with pickle or curd. Rajma chawal. What better than a piping hot plate of Rajma chawal when you are in a dire need of some comfort food? The iron and protein-rich Rajma or red kidney beans accompanied with steamed rice or any Indian bread makes for a wholesome meal for the entire family. Pappad ki sabzi. The crispy pappad, be it roasted or fried, is capable of altering the taste of an entire meal. The unassuming pappad is given a delectable twist in this recipe and it can be served along with rice or roti. Dahi vada. This North Indian delicacy has evolved as the favorite snack of many Indians and is especially a rage during festives. The deep fried vada is laced with generous helping of curd. Kadi. Though curd is used as the ingredient in many recipes and it even serves as an accompaniment to several dishes, this unassuming food item is given a delicious twist in the form of kadi. Rabri. Sweets are an integral part of any cuisine and the rabri is one such delicacy of the north. The amazing dessert, which found its origin in the holy city of Mathura, is also easy to prepare unlike other sweets. Lassi. This traditional refreshment originating in the land of five rivers provides relief from the scorching heat of summers and comes in various avatars. Yogurt blended with water and spices or different flavors result in a drink that is best enjoyed in a kulkan. Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh is an aromatic lamb or goat meat dish from the Kashmir region of India. It is a spicy hot curry usually eaten with naan or rice. Shahi Paneer. Originating from the India's Mughal cuisine, Shahi Paneer is a cheese curry that is prepared with paneer cheese, onions, almond paste and a rich spicy tomato cream sauce. This dish is typically accompanied by Indian bread such as naan, roti or puri. Chicken tikka. Indian tikka is a dish which consists of boneless meat, mostly chicken, that is cut into smaller pieces and marinated in yogurt and traditional Indian spices. This meat is roasted over charcoal in a tandoor. Kheer. This creamy rice pudding is delicately flavored with cardamom and is full of nuts. It's great dessert for any time of the year. In South India, where it is known as payasam, and East India, where it is called payesh, certain various versions are made of festivals. Jalebi. This crispy, syrupy dessert is well loved everywhere in India. It can be compared to that perennial favorite food served in the states, funeral cakes, except that then these fried treats are soaked in a sugary syrup. Malai kofta. This is one such classic curry recipe. However, originated from the Mughalai cuisine, malai refers to the cream that is added to the dish, and kofta are small balls that are made out of paneer. Doklas. Dokla is a vegetarian steamed food item that is popular in the state of Gujarat as it originated from there. The Gujaratis prefer it as a side dish or even consider it as a breakfast item. It is prepared with rice and split chickpeas. Malai Gulfi. It is happiness served in a matki. Cooked with dry fruits, condensed milk and saffron, Gulfi is a must try. Prepare this on special occasions as desserts and everyone would just love it. So many lifelong friendships are kindled over a cup of tea and a plate of hot and crunchy pakoras. And most importantly, what can be better way to bond with your close ones over some mouth-flattering food? Food is an integral part of India. When there is a wedding, a feast is conducted. When there is a ritual or religious ceremony, again a feast is conducted. Thanks to the landform diversity of the country, you can find a unique cuisines around the country. North Indians also love dairy items, which is clearly evident as no traditional meal is served without chas, lassi, paneer, and milk-based desserts like Kheer Gulfi. Yes, talk about desserts and a wide range of irresistible treats are sure to bowl you over. We are talking hot malpua with decadent rabdi, melt in the mouth, makan malai, kesar flavored pirni, burfis, and more, mostly prepared from reduced milk or cream. It is not without reason when people say that North Indians take their food seriously. Every nook and corner here has many delightful treats to offer. Here are some of the most popular dishes served in North Indian restaurants and homes. Try wowing your guests with these authentic and traditional recipes. Every country from around the globe contains a fusion of food culture that is relative. So, we all have something to share. Sampling local dishes is an important part of the experiencing and even understanding a new culture. Food is often a tradition, an identity, and a connection to a community. Indian food has become increasingly popular around the world, but nothing quite compares to the authentic food and spices around the subcontinent. North Indian cuisine is an ocean of delicious dishes. At least once in your lifetime, you must try North Indian foods. Thank you for watching our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Have a good day.